I have so many innovations, but I will not show all the innovations to you. It is short of time. But they have values I mentioned. They meet unmet needs. The emphasis is on people, because people become happy, not the technology. Technology used as a means. They understand, describe the problem, pain, define the problem, and search for technology. And technology has to be affordable, appropriate, affordable excellence, and it could be, it is no post-sale maintenance, no post-sale connection with the OEM. None of the innovations you have seen, once the man sells to you, farmer doesn't look back. There's amazing factored in the innovation. Then they have affordable excellence. This is what Dr. Mashilkar always says. Poor people should not be given because they can't pay much. It's not a linearity. If you give the best to them, they give best back to us, and it affects all of us. And so many value systems, there are more from less for money, many. You have seen some examples. And reduction of input costs. Everything reduce input cost or input effort, input time, ultimately they get benefited. What we can control is the input cost. We can't control the yield or we control the output. So Palesujana believes that we have to observe problems. We observe the good things of society. We'll tell children, this is good, this is good, this is good. But we don't teach them to observe the pains they're facing. And when we start observing the pains in our surroundings, home or street or colony, then you feel the pain, you internalize the pain. You see 10 problems, oh God, you realize so many problems are there. And those problems, when you internalize, you try to solve. If you cannot remove the problem, reduce the pain by a step forward. And all of us, my dear friends, have a capacity to reduce the pain by some percentage. But don't wait for the problem to be solved. Let's all do it. That's all I have. Thank you very much, Ikfai. I'm open for questions.